Well, hello. My name is Scott Elder. I'm the interim superintendent for the Albuquerque Public Schools, and it is a real pleasure to be here at Cochiti Elementary School and welcome you to your Title I night. We really appreciate you attending and being a part of this. It's really important to be engaged and involved in your students' school, especially while we're in virtual. We know this is an incredibly difficult time, and we want to say thank you to the teachers and to the parents for the incredible effort you're putting into helping your kids learn, helping your kids be educated, and helping them to acclimatize to this new reality. We look forward to seeing you face-to-face as soon as possible, and I hope you enjoy tonight, and go Cochiti.
Thank you for joining us this evening for the Title I Annual Meeting and Curriculum Night with your teachers. My name is Laura Hanson, and I'm your new principal. My vision for Cochiti Elementary is to prepare and motivate our students to dream, believe, and achieve by teaching them critical thinking skills. Skills and a respect for core values of honesty, perseverance, and compassion. Students will have success for today and will become lifelong learners, prepared for tomorrow. COVID has brought a new journey to learning and teaching, and we need you parents to partner with us. Please make sure your child is attending all of their scheduled classes and completing all of their assignments. Today you'll learn about Cochiti's participation in Title I school requirements, family engagement, and who to contact regarding Title I at Cochiti. Participation in Title I, things we're going to be looking at is the Every Student Succeeds Act. Title I funding is determined according to the ESSA regulations. Federally funded programs offer additional dollars to support schools, and funds are supplemental and used for school-wide programs that address the needs of all of our children at Cochiti, but particularly the needs of low-achieving students and those at risk of not meeting the Common Core state standards. Title I student eligibility is for verified low-income data from the state. Cochiti's 90-day plan is the Title I program plan, reviewed every 90 days and determines how students will be served and is aligned with ESSA. There is no spring data due to schools being closed. Therefore, standards-based assessments were not given. Title I requirement at Cochiti is to hold this Title I annual meeting to inform you all of the right to request teacher and educational assistant qualifications. Inform families of their right to know and be involved in the Title I regular budget, Title I family engagement budget, and development of the Title I program plan, our 90-day plan. Annual revision of the school family engagement policy and school parent compact completed with the participation of families. All of these forms will be provided to you. We hope to inform families of opportunities to be involved in revising the APS Title I District Family Engagement Procedural Directive and Support Agreement. Family Engagement Advisory Council meets quarterly. Times and locations will be posted on the APS website. Nancy Davenport and Dale Hagan are part of that advisory council contact. Title I funds at Cochiti this school year will include things as staffing teachers with benefits, staffing educational assistants with benefits, and general supplies and materials. Title I family engagement. Cochiti receives $1,501 in the Title I budget for family engagement. These funds come from 1% set aside from the APS Title I district budget. 90% of this set aside goes to the schools to be used for family engagement programs. Families have the right to be involved in how these funds are used to support the academic achievement of students at Cochiti. Ways this money can be used are communication with parents, staffing for communication on the 90-day plan, goals, and actions, and materials and books for curriculum nights. Who to contact for information about Cochiti family engagement opportunities? You may contact our counselor, Aaron Keto at aaron.keto@aps.edu. You may contact me, Laura Hanson, at hanson_l at aps.edu. Our read director, Bev Groner at beverly.groner at aps.edu, or our school secretary, Susan Moore, at susan.moore at aps.edu. Stronger connections. We hope for stronger connections through communication, school website, our marquee, robocalls, emails, teacher emails, class dojo, teacher notes, personal phone calls. Ways to get involved and help your student? Work with your classroom teacher, librarian, PE coaches, the front office. Volunteer for school beautification projects, school leadership teams, and working with local businesses to request contributions in talent and or materials. And lastly, tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. By Benjamin Franklin. Thank you and make it a great night.